Choosing the right cleaning tool can make everyday chores faster and easier. In this guide, we highlight the best corded vacuum options that deliver consistent suction, dependable power, and long-lasting performance, helping you maintain spotless floors without interruptions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Upright Vacuum. The Shark Upright Vacuum stands out for homeowners who want strong suction paired with real versatility for everybody cleaning. It handles carpets and bare floors with ease, using deep-reaching suction that pulls up dirt, dust, and debris in one pass. One of its biggest advantages is the lift-away feature, allowing the canister to detach so you can reach under furniture or clean stairs, upholstery, and above-floor areas without hassle. The sealed anti-allergen system with a HEPA filter is especially helpful for families dealing with allergies, as it traps fine particles instead of releasing them back into the air. Pet owners will appreciate the dedicated attachments that lift stubborn hair from couches and fabrics. Maneuvering around tight spaces feels smooth thanks to the swivel steering, and switching from carpet to hard floors is quick with the brush roll shutoff. The large dust cup reduces interruptions, and the included tools make this vacuum a dependable all-rounder for busy households. Number 2. Bissell 2254 Vacuum. The Bissell 2254 vacuum is built for pet-owning households that need effective cleaning without added complications. Its triple-action brush roll lifts embedded fur, while the scatter-free technology prevents debris from spreading across hard floors. The swivel steering makes navigating around chairs, tables, and corners easy, allowing you to clean even cramped spaces smoothly. Many users enjoy the automatic cord rewind, which neatly pulls the 27-foot cord back in with a single press, perfect for quick storage. The vacuum's edge-to-edge cleaning ensures debris near walls and baseboards is picked up instead of missed. Bissell's mission-driven approach is another appealing aspect, as each purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation. The combination of strong suction, a practical design, and specialized pet hair performance makes this model a convenient and reliable choice for everyday home cleaning. It's especially suited for owners looking for an affordable solution that still delivers consistent results across different surfaces. Number 3. Hoover MAXLife Pro Vacuum. The Hoover MAXLife Pro Vacuum offers powerful, consistent performance designed for homes with pets, allergies, or heavy foot traffic. Its advanced sealed allergen system and HEPA filtration work together to trap dust, fine particles, and allergens securely inside the unit. The deep-action brush roll penetrates carpet fibers while staying effective on hard floors, reducing hair wrap and improving debris pickup across every pass. Wind tunnel technology boosts suction strength, helping the vacuum pull debris from deep within carpets. With 13 feet of extended reach and multiple attachments, including a pet upholstery tool and crevice tool, you can clean tight corners, high shelves, and furniture with ease. Swivel steering adds to the smooth handling, making it comfortable to move around bulky furniture. Built with MAXLife filtration, the vacuum is engineered to maintain strong performance for longer without frequent filter replacements. Hoover's reputation for durable, user-friendly machines is clear in this model, offering dependable whole-home cleaning. Number 4. Shark Rocket Vacuum. The Shark Rocket Vacuum is ideal for those who want a lightweight machine without sacrificing cleaning power. Weighing less than 9 pounds, it's easy to carry around the house, maneuver on stairs, and move between rooms. Its corded design ensures continuous, strong suction on both carpets and hard floors, making it suitable for quick cleanups and deeper sessions alike. A standout feature is its ability to convert into a handheld vacuum, letting you tackle shelves, upholstery, and tight spaces above the floor without switching devices. The swivel steering provides excellent control around furniture, and fingertip controls make it simple to switch between cleaning modes mid-task. The dust cup empties quickly, reducing downtime and avoiding mess. With attachments like an upholstery tool, anti-allergen dust brush, and crevice tool, this vacuum adapts to many cleaning needs. Its compact size and convenient storage hook make it a great choice for apartments, small homes, or anyone needing flexibility. Number 5. Eureka PowerSpeed Vacuum. The Eureka PowerSpeed Vacuum is built for homeowners who want strong cleaning capability in a machine that's lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing just 10 pounds, it's simple to move upstairs and around furniture, yet delivers impressive suction powered by a 960-watt motor. This allows it to clean hard floors, rugs, and carpets efficiently without losing power. The oversized 2.6-liter dust cup is ideal for long cleaning sessions, as you won't need to stop frequently to empty it. Adjusting to different floor types is straightforward with the 5-height brush roll setting, letting you switch from thick carpets to bare floors with confidence. The included pet turbo brush, crevice tool, and dusting brush make it easier to handle pet hair, narrow gaps, and delicate surfaces. Since all tools store on board, everything stays within reach. Its lightweight frame, strong suction, and practical design make it an excellent value for busy households. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.